At least once in a year or even once in every 2 years, take your kids home, go to the village, celebrate with your kids and kin. Ewe ndị no somewhere obodo oyibo or elsewhere hustle or work or hanata village ya gabala hofuma. Not everyone is expecting something from you. Not everyone wants your money. Some people just want to see you. Your destiny helper can even be in your village. Christmas, New Yam Festival, don't go. You don't even go home. You don't even celebrate them. Now this is Christmas. Go back, celebrate with your kids and kin. They will not kill you. Nobody will kill you. You are running away. See, if everybody runs away from their villages, then the whole village will be empty. Try and go home. Try and associate with your kids and kin. Ka amalụ gị be nna gị no. Biko. Si malụ gị be nna gị agbana Enugu or Abuja or Lagos or ọbụrụ be nna gị bụ ife a. Because if you buy, now for that same village they will still come bury you. Associate with them ọbụrụ no ka a ga-afụ gị. Sefụ gị na ndụ. Ị na-ejirogodo ego. Try ya na ta ya afụrịrị ndị ị ga-ayọta ego. Ị nachie. Ị afụrịrị ndị ga-emegwu ga-assist na that same village. Ifele emena gị. Say you no succeed this year, no mean say you no go succeed next year. Go to your hometown. Go and celebrate this Christmas with your kids and kin. Yes, now I'm on a